Welcome back. Intercepts of a line. The points where a line crosses the x-axis and the y-axis are called the intercepts of the line. Look at this line. It crosses the x-axis at the point 30. That is your x-intercept. It crosses the y-axis here at 0,6. That is your y-intercept. Look at this line. It crosses the x-axis at the point 40. That is the x-intercept. That line crosses the y-axis at 0, -3. That is the y-intercept. What about this line? This line crosses the x-axis at 50. That is the x-intercept. The line crosses y-axis at the point 0, -5. That is the y-intercept. This line crosses the x-axis at 0, 0. That is its x-intercept. It crosses the y-axis at 0, 0. That is its y-intercept. So notice a line which crosses 0, 0 has both x and y-intercept 0, 0. Okay? So, here, this line passes through the x-axis, intersects the x-axis at 40. That is its x-intercept. So remember, the point is 40. You have to write the entire point. That is the x-intercept. Likewise, y-intercept is the point 0, 2. You notice, don't forget, it's a point, not just a number point. So you need both the x and y intercepts, x and y coordinates. So that's the x-intercept, that's the y-intercept. For this point, notice it passes through 2 on the x-axis. So the x-intercept is 2, 0. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 0. Likewise, y-intercept 0, -7. Okay? -6. All right. Okay, so that is the y-intercept. This line, it passes through x-axis at -5. So the x-intercept is, don't forget, -5, 0. Don't forget the y-coordinate. For this line, it passes through -5 on the y-axis. So x-axis 0, y-axis -5. You need to spell out the entire point. So that's the y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. X and y intercepts of this line, okay, passes through x-axis at 2. So 2, 0 is the x-intercept. Passes through y-axis at -2. So 0, -2 is the y-intercept. Okay. X and y intercepts of this line. Passes through 3. Okay, slightly off of 3, but it should be 3. Let's see. X coordinate 0, y coordinate, x coordinate 3, y coordinate 0. That's the x-intercept. Y-intercept is 0, 2. Okay. X coordinate is 0 because you're on the y-axis. and y coordinate is 2. Okay. All right. Now, given an equation, how do you find x-intercept? To find x-intercept, you set y0 and solve for x. To find y-intercept, let x0 and solve for y. Let's see using this example. Example is 3.8. Find the intercepts of 2x plus y equals 8. All right. So let's go one step at a time. X-intercept. To find x-intercept, you set y equals 0. All right. Once you set y equals 0 in your original equation, what happens? Okay. What happens here? 2x plus y0 equals 8. That is 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 4. So y is 0, x is 4. So you get your x-intercept. X is 4. X coordinate is the first coordinate, 4. Y is 0. That's the second coordinate. Now, to find y-intercept, okay, to find y-intercept, set x 0. Set x 0 in this equation. So where you see x, you place parenthesis 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Y is 8. So what is the y-intercept? Notice y-intercept is a point. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 8. All right. So this was the x-intercept and y-intercept. So notice x-intercept, y has to be 0. So y coordinate is 0. Y-intercept, x has to be 0. So x coordinate is 0. Let's try. Exercise 3.15. Find the intercepts. Right? 3x plus y equals 12. Okay. So let's proceed. To find x-intercept, what do? We set y equals 0. That's the first step. So take your original equation and set y 0. Well, at this point, divide both sides by 3. You get x equals 4. So, x-intercept is x is 4, y is 0. To find y-intercept, set x equals 0. Once you set x equals 0, go back to your original equation and set 0 for x. 3 times 0 is 0. Y equals 12. So you have found the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? X is 0 and y is 12. All right. Let's try one more example. Exercise 3.16. Find the intercepts of x plus 4y equals 8. To find x-intercept, what do? Set y equals 0. Alright, so take your original equation and set y 0. 4 times 0 is 0, x equals x plus 0 is 8, x equals 8. So you found your x-intercept. X is 8 and y is 0. Okay. Likewise, to find y-intercept, set x 0. You take your original equation and set x is 0. Okay. 0 plus anything is anything. 4y equals 8. Divide both sides by 4. Alright. So y equals 2. So you found your y-intercept. X coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 2. Alright. We'll continue in the next video.